Super Kids. Hi, kids.
What do you have, kids?
We have sticky zits. Daniel also has a blue
No,
one.
it's Fungus.
Amungus.
Fungus Amungus.
My brother has the same.
It's Fungus Amungus.
Let's get opening.
Open that, yes.
Round 1 and 2. That's 1 and 2.
What do you have? Can I see, Daniel, what do you have?
Going to mix.
Oh no, you're not mixing them. Show me one. This one, look. He looks like yellow ghost.
So I have 1, 2.
Hold this one.
There's 1 and 2. It's our arm. It's off the arm. It's off the arm. Let's take this. There's off.
How this blue looks?
Wow! 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 Wow!
That's one Fungus Amungus.
Fungus Amungus.
And that's second Fungus
There's
Amungus.
yellow.
So you have one yellow and one blue. We don't know who they are.
He's have arm.
Yes, he has.
He's have 1 arm.
Some sort of bacteria or funguses. What do you have?
Fungus Amungus. Antonex. Daniel wants to swap.
What do you have? Show me, what do you have?
Daniel,
Some sort of slimy monster. And this one? Oh, that one is ugly.
Daniel, do you want to swap? Here? He's going to make a ball. Daniel. Give me something.
Let me see here.
Daniel, do you want to keep it? Which one do you want to keep? Daniel, you have 2 arms. Do you want it? No.
Is some sort of instruction here, so we can find out which one do we have. Can we have something like that? Yeah, we have this one.
Yeah.
That one is easy flow. This one, easy flow. So that's easy flow. And the gray one is
Let's go to make a mix.
this one. Do you think this one?
Dad?
Yeah. That one is slobber chops.
What?
Slobber chops. Oh my god, he's really sticky. That's him. Okay, here you have.
Thank you.
Daniel got these ones.
I have
So
to
are
make
they different? Are they the same?
Daniel, do you want this one? No. Daniel. What? Daniel, which one do you want? No. Daniel.
Which one do you have? This green, this blue one. Which one is it, Daniel? Which one is it, Daniel? You have this one, look.
Mommy, I want
Antihistamine. So this one is antihistamine. This yellow is this one. It's crude nugget. Yeah, looks the same. Okay, here you have. How you can play with them like that. Can you pull them?
Yeah.
Are they stretchy?
Wait,
Are they gooey?
Good. This one sticks together.
Oh, cool.
And let's see what that can do. We're not gonna stretch really far. Wow. Daniel, do you want to swap? Daniel, do you want to swap for this one? No? Okay.
Okay, I think it's time to say goodbye.
Goodbye. See you later, kids.
That's really good toys, yeah?
And I'm going to open Chris and Ralph next.
Bye.
Bye. See you later. Thank you. Bye.
Try to stick them to the door. going down.
Hi kids, another video of garbage.
Garbage. Fungus Amungus.
Yeah, Fungus Amungus.
See how we are climbing on the door.
No blue, can't win. Blue. It's
Calm down.
woo! And black, you're the winner. Where's blue?
Yeah, we are really stretchy. And
This one's actually stretchy.
very sticky.
That one's stretchy and this one's the stickiest.
Oh, they can climb on walls,
Windows.
windows, ceilings.
Yeah, but they have to wash the freaking north now.
Yeah, we do.
Boy. And my cousin's going to be coming over. Ow, I'm going now.
Later I'll make one more video.
Beach.
On the beach again, yes.
Nothing more. But we have to come here to wash ourselves.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Nobody's gonna get that. You pull it, you pull it. Pull it. Pull. Pull it. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like, share our videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Super Kids. Watch our next video. Bye.